Imagine a life where you're not just connected to the divine, but immersed in it. A life where God's presence isn't a distant concept, but the very air you breathe, the ground you walk upon, the light that guides your way. This is the invitation of living within God, not just believing, but becoming a dwelling place for the divine. Think of it. Every sunrise, a whisper of God's new mercies. Every challenge, an opportunity to lean into divine strength. Your heart, a sanctuary where peace reigns, not because of perfect circumstances, but because God's presence is the anchor in the storm. Your actions, not driven by ego or fear, but flowing from a wellspring of love that overflows to those around you. This isn't some mystical, unattainable ideal. It's a journey of daily choices. A choice to quiet the noise of the world and listen for the still small voice. A choice to open your hands and surrender your worries, trusting in a love that never fails. A choice to see the divine spark in every person you meet, reflecting the boundless love that dwells within you. Living within God isn't about perfection. It's about progression. It's about stumbling and getting back up, knowing that grace is always there to catch you. It's about recognizing that you are loved beyond measure, not for what you do, but for who you are, a child of the divine, a vessel of infinite potential. This is your invitation to a life of deeper meaning, unshakable peace, and boundless joy. Step in the current of divine love. Embrace the adventure of living within God. Your soul is waiting.